Everyone knows me as an athlete, but they don't know that I've been living with diabetes. Performance has been my whole life. I was focused on the track and outrunning my opponents. But now I have a new challenge. When I was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, I needed something that would help me manage my blood glucose levels.
Glucerna uses a proven formula with a slow-release carbohydrate blend and myo-inositol to help keep blood glucose levels within target range up to 90% of the time.
Glucerna helps me keep my levels on track. I've already seen improvements and I'm getting results. My confidence is back and better than ever. Diabetes is a challenge every day, but with Glucerna, I know I can win.
Glucerna, proven to perform.